If you're starting seeds this year, you've probably seen the advice. Don't buy pre-bagged seedling mix, it's a ripoff, mix your own for half the price. It sounds like a great way to save money, but does the math actually hold up to today's retail prices? Or is the DIY hack actually a financial trap? Let's run the numbers. To be clear, we are strictly talking about seedling starting mix. The gold standard recipe for this is the universal 1-1-1. Mix peat moss, vermiculite, and the expensive stuff, perlite. Let's look at what it costs to buy these at retail today. $50 for the perlite, $35 for the vermiculite, $24 for peat, and $7 for lime. Total cost, $116. After expanding the peat and mixing it all together, you'll yield roughly 12 cubic feet of usable mix. That brings your DIY cost to $9.66 per cubic foot. Now the alternative. A professional 4 cubic foot compressed bale of Pro Mix costs $29.97. That's only $7.50 per cubic foot. By buying the professional premix, you're saving over $2 per cubic foot. That's a 20% savings for significantly less work. Now there might be a case for mixing your own potting soil or soil block mix. We'll look at those numbers later. But for seedlings, the economy of scale just isn't there. The verdict? Don't overcomplicate it. Buy the professional grade premix in bulk. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the potting soil breakdown.